Valentine Mugisha gwe bakissaako nti yatwala ekyapa kya mukadde Regina Nakayiza agamba nti bye yatwala bibye mbu nkiddamu mbu yabigula n'okusasula n'asasula bulungi era bwe yatuuse mu lukiiko olwatuuziddwa ku LC ey'okubiri yasoose kubategeeza nga bwe baayise omuntu atali ye anti mbu amannya ge yayitiddwa tegaabadde gage. Mu lukiiko luno Mugisha yagenze ne muwala we Priska Kyomugisha n'omutabani Prosper Mwesigye Mugisha.
The letter says that the office of the council, first of all, it is addressed to Mr. Mugisha, the signature. You can read it. Read the whole letter starting.
I'm going to read the letter so that we can all hear what is in it. Letter yavudde ku our reference Luyinda Willie of Komamboga and Patrick Lutankome Mukasa of Komamboga Kyaddondo versus Mugisha Bizigweta Nafisali and Nakayiza Regina of Ndesi. Kati case number 2024/174 summoning Mr. Mugisha Bizigweta Nafisali. Egamba nti the Office of Local Council summons you to come for fact-finding issues of the Chibanja bought by Patrick Lutankome Mukasa. The meeting is on Sunday, 21st July 2024 at the office of the LC2 at 10 a.m. You are requested to attend without fail. Kuliko stamp ya KCCA Authority, Kawempe Division, the record date ya 17th of July 2024. Later, yavudde wa Kimbugwe HK, Chairman LC2. In copy is Chairman LC1, OCC Kanyonyi, DPC Kasangati, DC Kawempe, Mayor Kawempe Division. Kiraga nti bonna bafunye copy of this letter.
So, in summary, I saw this document yesterday afternoon, and when I come here, I have so many things to do. I went back late at night. So I did not really have time and means to get all the required documentation. Secondly, this letter was not addressed to me. My names are Mugisha Valentine. I've never been this person who was called. So this meeting, I was not called in this meeting. But I saw the letter, I said, now that they have brought this letter to my site, let me go to this meeting and see what is happening. So in brief.
Mu lukiiko luno, Mugisha agamba teyasobola kutambula na biwandiiko bya ttaka wadde yaluggyamu era n'ebyapa teyabirina ku lunaku olwo. Ku buguzi n'okuzimba ku ttaka lino, Mugisha agamba yasooka mu lands ngamba abeeby'ettaka n'akakasa nti ddala ettaka lyali lya mukadde Regina Nakayiza n'ebirala.
I went to the ministry and I carried out a search and I found that the land title fully belonged to Regina Nakayiza. There were no encumbrances attached on that file. You get it? So the land was actually Regina Nakayiza. I even took it to my lawyer and she confirmed that this was Regina Nakayiza's land. I came here on the land. I saw the land. There was nothing. There was nothing that can prevent me from buying. At that time, I think we went to the LC1 chairman, but he was not there. So I contacted the LC2 chairman and some other people. He told me that the land was fully Regina Nakayiza. So we proceeded to the lawyer without confirmation, without search. We went to the lawyer and we made an agreement of land. The agreement was selling me the whole piece of land which was in the title. 3.3 hectares, something like that. There was nothing that there was another person behind who was claiming that piece of land.
Valentine Mugisha akakasa nti ettaka teryaliko nkaayana yadde emiziziko olwo ng'akwatagana ne munnamateeka okukutula ebyobuguzi. Olwazzaako Kimpozi.
With my title, I started using the land. I enclosed it. After enclosing it, I put barbed wires around it. Then I started using land, doing the different types of activities. I did so many activities until the time reached when I wanted to build, and I made plans for the construction. I took them to KCC, and KCC approved and gave me permission to start the construction.
Awe tunaatandikira enkya. Bya Robert Mutebi ne Yasin Chikoyo, Salt TV, Omunnyo.